How do you upgrade your village to level 3 in LEGO Fortnite? Well, it's super simple. Head across to your level 2 village square, interact with it, and on the upgrades tab, you'll see that you need 10 planks as well as 20 granite. Granite is super easy to get. Simply craft yourself a pickaxe or find one somewhere in the world by killing skeletons and use it to destroy rocks. By destroying literally any rock that you find, you'll get tons of granite in return. Once you've collected granite, simply collect yourself a ton of wood. This can be done by picking up sticks and twigs on the floor, as well as using axes of different qualities to destroy different trees. Most of the time, a lot of the trees you can't destroy, such as these little pine trees, these taller pine trees, but the rest of the trees are pretty much fair game. Simply chopping them down will usually give you a handful of logs. Sometimes they'll break into a much larger log that you then need to chop in the ground as well. After collecting yourself more than enough wood, you'll need to head back to your base where you have your lumber mill. In here, you'll need to select plank and change the recipe to it, then start crafting 10 planks in order to get this done. I've already got 3, so I'll need to make 7. Grabbing our 10 planks, as well as making sure our granites in our inventory, we can interact with the village center and start the upgrade. By doing so, we unlock a second villager slot and of course, the ability for villagers to randomly gift you items. So, with another villager available, we can speak to them and add them to our village, assuming there's another bed. So, after confirming it, we can tell them to make themselves at home and they'll take control of the bed. If we were to destroy the bed, it'll boot them out of the town and we can replace them with someone else if necessary. When you do upgrade your village to level 3, you'll also unlock a few more crafting recipes like the palisade gate on the building parts tab, new roof trims, as well as a fort door and fort walls. Then on the furniture tab, we unlock counters, as well as new kinds of lighting and the decorations tab as well. Most of these use amber, marble, and iron. Anyways, that's how to upgrade your village square to tier 3. So thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.